Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. For today's video, I'm going to create this look using the Rosy Glam Quad from Makeup by Mario. So Makeup by Mario released a holiday glam. This is the second collection. The holiday collection looks really good. He released 3 glosses, 3 eyeliners, 3 quads, and a lip palette.
You got me good. Oh, babe. All I'm thinking about is when you come around. You got me, you got me. Oh, babe. You got me good. You got me. Play the game just like a pro, didn't stand a chance. You took it all, yeah, you won by a landslide. Oh, babe, I don't wanna get you out of my system. Oh, 'cause I like the way it feels when you touch me.
By the way, my jewelries are from Luisa. If you guys want to check them out, they're doing a Black Friday sale right now. You might find the pieces that you've been looking for. I'm also going to put a link down below that's going to bring you to Ana Luisa.
When you come around, you got me. You got me good. You got me.
Today I'm going to use the Rosy Glam Quad, which is this one. So pretty. Yesterday I used the Bronzy Glam. If you guys haven't seen the video yet, I will link it down below, so check it out. I really want to give this a try and create a warm look with this. So RG1, RG2, RG3, and RG4. I'm gonna go in with RG1 with my MAC 224 brush. It's very pigmented. All the Mario mattes are pigmented. Just test the water first. I like building the colors. I like building the pigment on my lid. I don't like packing and then blending. It's kind of hard. And sometimes that's how patchy looking eyeshadows. I'm gonna drag the shadow outwards now. And do the windshield wiping moments. I love how it's building right now. Now I'm concentrating on the inner corner. I am going to extend that here, right near in the bridge of my nose. Just like that. And just build the shadow. Today is my birthday. I'm 35 years old today, but I feel 28 years old. I think 28 is the prime, you know. That was my prime. What was your prime? Let me know in the comment box below. And why would you say that's your prime? I worked hard and I party hard. 28. I also traveled a lot. Kind of like this one better than the other one. I don't have any fallout. I'm kind of like extending it here, then going up. Actually, like, okay, I'm just gonna pick up just this with my finger. I'm gonna apply, this one is the RG3, okay, with my finger, and then put that all over my lid. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. What I like about Makeup by Mario, his colors are so sophisticated. They look expensive. All of his colors can be used for every day, also for party. They're very flexible. Okay. I guess I want more, but in order for me to pick up right where I want it, I'm going to take a smaller brush. So that's where I want it. And most, I want it here as well, like extending here, like that. I don't think this is a metallic shade. I think this is more a satin shimmer shade. Not everybody likes metallic shadows, and not everybody is suited for metallic shadows, especially when you are aging and your eyelids get more texture. So my daughter Coco likes saying now means no. I ask her, oh, okay, I'm sorry, we should not talk about her because she's here. So pretty. Are you guys seeing this? Okay, so this collection has a new eyeliner, and for the Rosy Glam palette or Rosy Glam Quad, Mario made a matching Pigment Pro pencil. This one is in soft brown. So that's soft brown. So I'm gonna put it on my waterline and lash line. Create a smoky look. I have a freckle right under here, so it looks like I have an eyeliner right there. I love my freckles, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna get a smaller pencil brush. I'm gonna get this purple one. It's a duochrome. So I'm gonna drag that under my eye. Alright, so for the last part, I'm going to take this silver one. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. Oh, it's pretty. I want to do something glittery, so I want to try to use this one. This one is Bronzite. This one is the Master Crystal Reflector in Bronzite. I'll just dab it all over my lid. Okay, this is so pretty. This one is the bronzite again. I forgot to prep my lips. This one is the Buxom Big O. I actually regret putting the silver shadow in the inner corner of my eye, but we're just gonna go with it because it's there already. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the silver? Next, I'm gonna brighten my under eye. This one is the KKW Beauty Brightening Powder number 2. I'm gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics. This one is a blush, Close to Perfect. I think this is my favorite blush from Kylie Cosmetics. What I love about this blush is it is very buildable. This one is Bushy Brow from Lime Crime. I'm just gonna draw here because I messed it up when I was putting foundation. Kinda erased it. The Mario Master Matte's liquid liner in Super Black has been my favorite liquid liner. It's so easy to use. Gently pat this felt tip on my lash line. Just to define my eyes. Look at the difference, how that opened my eyes. Wow, there's so many looks that you can use with these quads. Blending the purple shade with a silver makes a really good look, and that rosy burgundy shade with the silver is so pretty as well. And it just matches the brown, the matte brown right here. These colors are very well thought, and I don't have anything like this in my collection, I think. I think I'm gonna put more blush. I'm going to use another one. This one is from ColourPop. It's called Meteorite. It is a little bit darker than the Close to Perfect. I put setting spray before my highlighter. Alright guys, lashes on, and this is how it looks like with lashes. I'm in love with individual lashes right now, and I just use Ardell. That's all I use. Alright guys, so this is the look using the Rosy Glam Quad from Makeup by Mario. I hope you guys love this look. Let me know in the comment box below for my review. I really love these glam quads. They're amazing. I can't say anything bad about these palettes. They're very pigmented. They blend so well. They look so good. Look at this Rose Glam Quad. It's so pretty on my eyes. I actually like the silver in the inner corner of my eyes now. At first, I was shocked. Maybe because I don't really use silver so much, so I gotta get used to it. I love this quad. I thought that I love bronze so much, but I actually like this better than the bronze one. I haven't tried the blue one yet, but you guys wait and see. The eyeliners are superb, just like the first liners that he released. The lip palette, This is a favorite now. I can't live without this anymore. I use this every day, and what's good about it, it's not oily, it's not waxy, it's perfect. Most of the lip palettes that I have in my pro kit, they're not well formulated. They're in the waxy side and the oily side because they're in a palette. I guess they formulated them waxy and oily because they don't want them to dry. This one is very creamy, pigmented. It's perfect, and the colors are so nice. The formulation is just incredible. I've never seen a lip palette like this. If you want to get something from the second collection, it's the lip palette. That's my favorite. Oh, he also released lip glosses. I didn't show in this video, but yeah, the rose nude one. There is mauve nude, golden nude, and this one is the rose nude. I forgot. I use my finger. So rose nude has pink and golden reflex, like micro glitters. They're so micro though. They're very tiny. You can't feel them on your lips. Pretty. Oh gosh, I can't stop looking on the monitor. I look so pretty. Wow. I swatched this on my Instagram too.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it in time to be alone is depressing.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please. For my birthday. It's my birthday. It's a gift. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye. If you want to know where I buy my jewelries, I'm going to put it on the description box below. I'm going to put a link there. It's from Luisa.